Senseonics went to $3.05 as we predicted in the last video. Level that we should see a big buying pressure. We did this at June 21st yesterday, and we have it tested by today. Look with me at this volume. It's perfectly around our support, guys, and we bought back. Boom! This is what you want to see when we hit our level here. Boom! This is it, guys. This is the market maker actually way. This is what we want to see whenever actually test our any support level. A big buying pressure to take us above. So what that mean and what we should do right now? Are we gonna see the higher highs for Senseonics? We're gonna disclose everything in this video. So without further ado, as I told you guys here, no BS, no editing. So let's get some money, guys. So without further ado, press the like button and let's get right to it. And look with me precisely, guys. We got this massive test and rejection around our resistant area precisely, and we close below it. Now as we speak, there's another candle. For our candle actually is around to test the support again. And look with me what's happened. We have a bit of momentum actually drag us down because this is a really massive test. As I said, our exponential average actually acts as a resistant area, and now we still test net, guys. This is really important. Even with big candle, this is really good to have a closing candle above here to take us to test the $3.82. And the other thing I want to disclose here, if we close here, will be the perfect box for Senseonics to trade and load in vase. The moment that we enter in this box will be really nice for Senseonics to actually see the momentum to take us above again, because after this big jump that we did at the 3rd of June, is still we have the momentum, guys, to go up again, and we go to do higher highs the last time that we did around the $4.50. So this is really important to note and keep our eyes on. If we close above here, even in consolidation for days, here will be perfect consolidation, because here is accumulation phase and fueling for the rocket before the launching. So this is really important that we saw the buying pressure around the $3, and as I told you guys, the $3 is really important psychological level. We should never go below it, because this is not good if we go below the $3, and would take us a bit of time to actually go to see higher highs and another squeeze for Senseonics. So this is how the market maker play, guys. I'm trying to give you some insight behind the scenes and how things work, because this is like a psychology mixed and emotional mix world, when a lot of people who actually have not just a knowledge of the market, but they detach their emotion from the trade. That's why they just buy, and they know where the price value for each commodity. We don't talk about just stocks, we talk about everything, guys. Crypto, stocks, forex, it's applied for everything. Wherever there's people buying and selling, this is actually work perfectly at any commodity, but depends on how volatility it is. That's why I don't like when we see a lot of volatility, because you can actually minimize your risk in this kind of situation. That's why I will let the dust settle, then I get in to see clearly what's gonna happen. And this is really important, because the moment that we see high volatility, the perfect moment that you get in is before the explosion. When there's a sign of explosion, you get in, not when the explosion happened. This is where there's a dust everywhere and a lot of things going on, and you be in middle nowhere and you just running, and this is risky, guys. Let the dust clear. So if you want to know exactly how this work and to have more glimpse of doing it for yourself, you can check our Patreon in comment section below. Join us, guys. We actually already 24. Let's go right and hunt for exact price value. You can choose which tire you can go with, and I can actually guide you in the way and at least make it simple as it is. As you can see from my video, I'm not actually making things complicated, because the more you make things complicated, it means you don't know what you're talking about. So I will make it simple as possible and as clear as possible, and you can ask me anything, and in Patreon I will be actually answer you in no time. So without further ado, blast the like button and let's get right to hunting. See you guys.